Welcome to FIRETECH VISION, where circuits come alive, knowledge gets hand-on, and future engineers are made. Wiring a house is a rocket science. Think again. In this quick step-by-step guide, I will show you exactly how professionals wire a home safely, clearly, and without a confusion jargon. Whether you are a DIYer, student, or just curious, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. Okay, so in this video, we will talk about how to wire a house. Okay, let's discuss about safety. All safety comes first. Electricity is powerful and dangerous. Before touching anything, shut off the power at the main breaker. Put on gloves, goggles, and use insulated tools. Never work alone. And if you are unsure, call a licensed electrician. Your safety comes first every time. Okay, now let's discuss how house wiring works. Let's discuss deeply in this one. In most homes, power follows from the main breaker panel through the Romex cable to every room. So to do this, you will deal with, or you must understand first, the breaker panel. 2, the electrical boxes. 3, the wire or the Romex. 4, the devices like outlets and switches. After you understand clearly these 4 things, once you understand this, everything else becomes easier. Okay, before wiring the house, first one is plan your circuits. That means first is plan your circuits. Start with simple and layout of your home. Mark where lights, switches, and outlets will go. After you understand where the light and switch outlets go, use one 5-amp circuit for lighting. Use 20-amp circuits for general outlets, especially for kitchen and bathroom. Always follow your local code. So to use the colors, you must use the local code. The local code may be different from another places. So always follow your local code. It matters. Let's discuss now about the tools and materials. Here is what you will need. The first one is wire strippers. This is used for clean cuts and safety connections. A voltage tester to check if a wire are live, and an MB cable, either 142 or 4 that is your standard home wiring. Electrical boxes. These are for outlets and switches. Staple, wire nuts, and screws. This is used to hold everything in place. Safety gears, gloves, safety glasses, and boots. And finally, a drill and screwdriver for mounting and routing a wire. Okay, let's installing the wiring. Installing wiring. Let's wire it up. Here is how. First, mount electrical boxes. 2, drill holes through the series. 3, run Romex cable from point to point. 4, leave 6 inches of slack at each boxes. The 5th or the final is staple the cable along the steers. Tight but not crush it. But don't use extra forces. That means do this one room at a time. Slow is smooth. Smooth is also fast. So use one room at a time. Now let's discuss about connecting devices. How we can connect the devices. Time to wire up your outlets and switches. Let's keep it clean and correct. Black wire, that is your hot, and connect to the brass screw, the brass screw. The white wire is your neutral. So go to the silver screw or connect to the silver screw. The brass, the bar copper or the green, that is your ground. So secure to it the green screw or to the ground metal box. After connecting the devices like this, now tight each connecting firmly. Solid contact is key, but don't crack it like gorilla. Over tightening can damage the terminal or break the wire. So don't use extra force, but solid contact is key. Keep it neat and keep it raw. Okay, after completing this, now let's connect to the panel. And this part is no joke. If you are untrained, don't touch the panel. Electricity here is live and dangerous. When doubt it or confused, hire a licensed pro. Here is the correct order for connection. Ground wire connect to the ground bar. Usually the bar copper or it is green. Neutral wire goes to the neutral bar. Typically it is white wire. Hot wire, this connects to the breaker terminal itself. Make sure all wires are securely tightened. No loose strands, no shortcuts. Your panel is the heart of your system. Treat it with respect and caution. Okay, after completing this, let's dive into test and power on. Almost done. Now double check every wire and screw. Make sure nothing is loose or out of place. Clip on the main breaker to power up the circuit. Use voltage tester to check each outlet and switches. Now, does the light come on? Does the switch operate smoothly? If yes, congratulations, you have successfully wired a room light bulb. You made it. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step electrical guides. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. I am here here to help you out. And don't miss the next video where I will share advanced tips and common wiring mistakes you want to avoid. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.